Welcome to my channel. So this is the easiest way for you to create your Telegram group. If you need a group, maybe you want to teach and you want to create your own group on Telegram, go ahead and click on the Telegram app. When you click on it, you click on this sign here. Click on this sign. When you click on it, you will see new group, new secret chat, new channel, whatever you want to create. If you want to create a channel, go ahead and click on new channel. If you want to create a group, you go ahead and click on new group. Now I want to create a group, so I will just go ahead and click on this new group. Then you will have to select at least one person before you can create a group on Telegram. You cannot just create a blank group. You must select 1, 2, or 3 persons to use. Okay, so go ahead and select whoever you want to use to create this group. For example, let me select one person here. Okay, so after that, next thing you need to do is to give the group name. Give it a name. What do you want to use the group for? So you give it a name. So I'm giving it training group. Training group. So once you are done, you hit the tick button right here. Let me show you. Click on this button, and when you click on it, you have created a group for yourself. So you can go ahead and add more people to the group. Bye.